Next, learn how to hook the frog's body. Take it off twice, wrap around your pinky and forefinger and pinch. Insert a crochet hook into the loop, wind out, tensioning. Draw the line out. This is a standing pin, put 6 short stitches in it. 2, 5, 6. Stretch this coil, tidy up this thread. Gently pull this thread. One of the coils will be active. Pull the moving coil tight again. Tighten the active coil and then tighten this wire. Insert a crochet hook into this stitch. Then a draw is made with the first stitch. Finish one more standing pin. In these 6 stitches we will hook again. Hook another short stitch in the same stitch. In the second stitch, the addition of short stitches. The third stitch is a short stitch. The fourth is the addition of a short stitch. Hook another set of short pins. A short stitch of extra stitch. One lap is complete. It was 3 injections. Total 9 stitches. Then the third turn is followed by a lead with the first pin. And hook a standing pin. The rule of the circle is: hook a short pin over each short pin, 9 short stitches without adding or subtracting. I'll just do it myself after completion. A lead is performed with the first pin. And hook a standing pin. And then the fourth lap, the same 9 short needles without adding or subtracting. It's the same hook as round 3, no more or less 9 short stitches. Please do it yourself. Pull it tight and make a pull. There are 2 legs to be made. Now for the first one, we'll disconnect it. Set aside. Then do the same for the other leg. The other leg. Once the second leg is done, there's no need to break the cord. Next, hook 6 braid pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of the legs, then find the first needle to draw. There's a pull mark here that will find the first stitch you see. Then put a short needle on this one. A total of 9 short stitches. Finish the circle. 1. Take this thread. We can wrap it in, tick. 2, 3. Follow the same method. 9 short pins to complete the circle. 9. After the hook is finished, you come to this drawing place to make the hole smaller. The first stitch of the draw needle and braid needle is combined into one stitch. The braid needles here have a total of 6 stitches. A V for a needle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From the drawing of this trace, this coil goes in here. Wind out. Insert it into the first stitch in the braid needle. Wrap the thread around it and hook it. And then wind it out. Wind the wire once more and pull through 3 coils. Then hook a short pin around the braid pin. Second pin. There are 5 braid pins left and 5 short stitches. Four. Also hook a short pin inside the last braid pin. Then connect the next leg. 9 short pins on this leg. Hook the corresponding 9 short pins, keep going until the last stitch. Nine short hooks finished, it's also the lead pin of this leg. Here, too, we'll draw. Needle the coil and the first stitch on the braid needle makes a short reduction stitch. You can see above the braid pin, the other side is after the short stitch. Now we're left with one wavy line after another. Now we put the needle in, it's right here on the wavy line. The crochet needle is inserted into this coil of the draw. Draw the line again. Then insert it into the next braid needle. Wrap the wire around 3 coils in turn. Then inside the remaining coil on the braid pin. Hook a short needle, hook a total of 5 short needles. 1. 2. Then hook the other leg, hook a short stitch over each short stitch. Now let's draw a different color line here, let's pin it down, make a mark. Because the mark button sometimes makes the needle eye, it's a little bigger. Then this is the first stitch of every turn. Then you don't need to pull the needle every turn and stand up the needle. The screw hook method has been used. Then loop 6 for short stitches and 1 short stitch. That's the pattern of this lap. Keep ticking until the end. For hook a person's pin and then hook a short pin. Then hook 4 short stitches and 1 short stitch. Do it yourself. I'm not going to show you all about it, round 6 is over. Here it is when you're done. I just don't have any pins to draw or stand up, go straight to the next circle for 7, round 7 is to hook a short pin first. Add a short pin to the pin. Then hook 24 short stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not going to show you how to crochet by yourself. 24 short needles. After 24 short stitches, then hook 5 groups and add needles. A short stitch and a short stitch. A short needle. A short stitch of extra stitch. Repeat 5 times in total. A short needle. A short stitch of extra stitch. Keep going until the last stitch. That's 42 stitches after this loop. Next, loop 8, go straight ahead and hook the short pin. Hook short needle without adding or subtracting. Hook a short pin over each short pin. Altogether 42 stitches. Next, lap 8, lap 9, lap 10. It's just a hook and a needle. I'm not going to do that here. Crochet yourself to the 10th turn. Round 10 is over. And then the 11th loop, the 10th turn, is the first 30 short stitches. 3, 4, and then on the last 12 short stitches we'll do it, the addition of short stitches. Start by crocheting 30 short stitches. After 30 short stitches are done, there are 12 stitches left here. Inside this is the extra stitch that hooks 6 sets of short stitches. Hook a short pin and then a short pin. And then a short stitch and a short stitch plus. A short needle. A short stitch of extra stitch. Follow this pattern until the last stitch. Finish the last stitch. That's a total of 6 injections. That's a total of 48 stitches in the circle. Needle addition. The hook is followed by the 12th lap. The 12th turn is a no-lose hook. 48 short stitches. And then turn 13, lap 14 is still an undiminished hook. Now everyone crochets on their own. Round 14, no more or less than 48 short pins. I'm not going to do it here. After the 48 short pins in the 4th round of 10, then hook 10 5 times. On the 10th and 5th lap we're going to hook 6 short pins. 3, 4, 5, 6. Then a short needle reducer is inserted. A short needle to hook out. Insert the next short needle to hook out. Wrap the wire and hook it out. This is a reduction of a short stitch. Then 6 short stitches and 1 short reduction stitch. Follow this pattern to complete the circle. Here we hook round 15 and then we hook round 16. Do not add or subtract. Hook short needle. 42 short pins in a circle. Please do it yourself. When the 16th circle is complete, follow with the 17th circle. The 17th circle is a reduction of 5 short stitches and 1 short stitch. 5 short needles. A reduction of a short stitch. 5 short pins and 1 short pin reduction. Follow this pattern to complete the circle. After the 17th lap, round 18 is an unadded, unsubtracted hook. There are 36 short stitches. Please complete the 36 short stitches yourself. The 36 short pins are followed by the 19th turn. It's a reduction of 4 short stitches and 1 short stitch. 3, 4. Then hook a short pin of the reducer. Tick it off and tick it off. Then hook 4 short pins and 1 short pin reducer. Follow this pattern to complete the circle. After this circle is finished, then fold 20 times. It is also the last circle without adding or reducing the hook 30 short pins. Hook a short stitch on each short stitch. I'm not going to do that here. Finish the last stitch and then we leave it for the long haul. The broken thread will be used for stitching. Well, then we're done with this body. This wire can be removed right here.